was that fit through the hole in the back of the seat in the Falcon.
I love it.
Under 1600.
This is the standard. Tell you what, it's standard. I like it.